Modal verbs are small but mighty. They can change the meaning of a sentence completely. Let's master them step by step.
Can.
Ability, permission.
I can swim. Could.
Past ability, polite requests.
Could you help me? May.
Formal permission, possibility.
May I leave early? Might.
Uncertain possibility.
It might rain. Must.
Strong obligation, deduction.
You must wear a seatbelt. Shall.
Suggestions, formal. Future, old-fashioned.
Shall we go? Should.
Advice, mild obligation.
You should study more. Will.
Future certainty, promises.
I will call you. Will.
Hypotheticals, polite requests.
Would you like tea?
Each modal has specific uses. Let's break them down one by one.
Can.
Present ability.
I can drive. Could.
Past ability.
I could run fast as a kid.
Or polite requests.
Could you pass the salt? May.
Formal permission.
May I go to the bathroom?
Or strong possibility.
She may arrive late. Might.
Less certain possibility.
It might snow tomorrow.
Pro tip. Might is weaker than may. Use it when you're less sure.
Must.
Personal rules.
I must exercise. Have to.
External rules.
I have to wear a uniform. Should.
Common advice.
You should drink water. Ought to.
Stronger advice.
You ought to apologize. Will.
Certain future.
I will call you. Would.
Hypotheticals.
I would travel if I had money.
Or polite requests.
Would you mind?